10 years ago, Aditya and Saksham, two childhood friends, received 10,000 rupees each from their parents. They both decided to invest their money in an asset with minimal risk.
While Aditya's capital grew from rupees 10,000 to rupees 27,000, Saksham grew his capital to rupees 37,000.
इन दोनों में फाइट बस इतना था कि आदित्य ने इंडियन मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट किया और सक्षम ने यूएस मार्केट में। आई नो यूएस मार्केट का नाम सुन के आपको लगा होगा कि इतना रिस्क कौन ले, बट डोंट वरी, टुडे वी विल बी शेयरिंग रिस्क-फ्री वेज फॉर यू टू एक्सप्लोर द यूएस मार्केट। व्हाई यूएस मार्केट्स? अब जैसे इंडिया में सेंसेक्स और निफ्टी है, वैसे यूएस में S&P 500 है जो यूएस की टॉप 500 कंपनीज को ट्रैक करता है। You won't believe this, but since 2015, S&P 500 has beaten the portfolio of many billionaires by more than 100%. Look at this data carefully. In the past 10 years, billionaires have grown their wealth by 121%, whereas S&P 500 has compounded its wealth by 241%. Along with this, you also get the benefit of dollar appreciation. As of 11th March 2022, $1,000 was equal to 76,310 rupees. Whereas today, as of 11th March 2025, it has grown to 87,355 rupees. This means someone who invested $1,000 3 years ago just made extra 11,000 rupees on their investment. And this tells why your portfolio needs a US market touch. What are ETFs? I know putting your hard-earned money in an unknown market is not a comforting thought. But what if I tell you you just have to put your money in an asset similar to mutual funds? Welcome to the world of US ETFs. US ETFs are just like mutual funds which can be easily traded on stock exchanges. Which means instead of buying individual stocks of the top US companies like Apple or Microsoft for hefty prices, you can invest in the S&P 500 where your money is invested in the top 500 company at once. This also reduces the risk of exposing all your capital to just one company. यानी safety mutual fund वाली और return उससे काफी ज़्यादा. Now ETFs are generally of 3 types. Number 1, broad market ETFs. These funds deal with particular index like the S&P 500 or the entire stock market. Number 2, thematic ETFs. These invest in a company that support a particular theme like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, etc. Number 3, sector focused. These ETFs invest in a particular sector like technology, healthcare, etc. अब सोचने वाली बात ये है कि क्या सच में US ETFs Indian mutual fund से better हैं?
Let's compare them in terms of these 5 aspects.
Number 1, expense ratio. Investing in a mutual fund can be costlier than investing in US ETFs. This is because of the high expense ratio charged by India-based US equity mutual funds. India-based US equity mutual funds charge about 0.5 to 1.5 of the total fund value as an expense ratio, whereas US ETFs charge an expense ratio of 0 to 0.2%. Number 2, tax efficiency. Investing in US ETFs is a great way to save on taxes and increase on return on investment. For short-term capital gains, US ETFs are taxed based on income tax slab rate. Mutual funds are taxed at 20%. For long-term capital gains, US ETFs are taxed at 12.5%. Mutual funds are also taxed at 12.5%, but on gains above 1.25 lakhs. Number 3, returns. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of investment, returns. For US equity ETFs, the average 5-year CAGR remains between 20 to 30%. Whereas for India-based US equity mutual funds, it varies between 5 to 16%. Now when you add the US dollar appreciation to these returns, it makes the ROI even more lucrative. Number 4, US exposure. With US ETFs, you get direct exposure to American companies. Whereas with India-based US mutual funds, it is limited to the funds investing in the US companies. Number 5, buy at market price. India-based US mutual funds are currently trading at a premium of 10 to 20%, whereas you can easily buy US ETFs at the current market price. I hope you understood everything about ETFs. But wait, this video isn't over yet. It is the time to disclose the top 3 US ETFs for Indian investors. The first one is SPDR Gold Shares. If you want to invest in gold, then this can be a great option for you. In the past 3 years, this ETF has given an absolute return of 47.59%. At number 2, we have SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. You can call it a safe option as it tracks the S&P 500 index and invests in Tesla, Microsoft and other top companies. In the past 3 years, it has generated a CAGR of 12.79%. Let us move on to the third ETF of the day, which is Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund ETF. It tracks the MSCI US Investable Market Information Technology 20/50 Index and has generated a CAGR of 16.18% over the past 3 years. Along with this, you can invest in new-age technology like artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency through ETFs like iShare Bitcoin Trust ETF, Vanguard Information Technology ETF, etc. The returns mentioned are as of 11th March 2025 and might change in the future. Thus, we recommend you to invest money as per your risk appetite and always do due diligence before investing your money in any asset. So that's all about the US ETFs. I hope as the retail investor, you will finally look beyond the Indian market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down if you would invest in the US ETFs or India-based US mutual funds.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.